Welcome to the Muxall Open IoT channel. I am your host, Michael Crane. Installing the Muxall Quartz Igniter Kit. In today's video, we are going to be installing the Muxall Quartz Igniter Kit into a standard pellet grill burn pot. All right. Since Muxall does not sell plain steel burn pots, we will be instead installing the igniter into a porcelain covered steel burn pot, which is basically the same as a standard steel burn pot, just covered with porcelain. All right. So a couple quick notes. The quartz igniter uses superheated air to ignite the pellets in the burn pot. So the quartz igniter will not stick out a quarter or a half an inch into the burn pot like a steel igniter would. It's pretty much flush with the end of the mounting tube. This protects the quartz igniter from heavy-handed burn pot cleaning. Yeah. Ooh, there's something hard in the burn pot. And keeps the igniter free of pellet residue. When you unpack the Muxall Quartz Igniter Kit, you will find a heat founder silicon nitride igniter, model HFBBQ14, 150 watt at 120 volt, a mounting screw, a fiberglass washer, and a mounting bracket. The igniter is constructed of a silicon nitride element mounted to a ceramic mounting flange. All right, so if you're installing the igniter into a new burn pot, the burn pot must be cleaned. The reason is so we can remove any oil that may be in the igniter's mounting tube. Okay? Because this oil will damage the igniter. I use glass cleaner and paper towels to clean our porcelain burn pots, but any kitchen degreaser like 409 should work okay. Make sure to squirt plenty of cleaner into the mounting tube and use tweezers or a screwdriver to mechanically wipe the inside of the entire mounting tube with paper towels. All right, the tube should be completely dry when done, because it's not a good idea to get cleaner on the quartz igniter, right? All right, so make sure to remove and discard the screw that came with your new burn pot. These screws are longer than the mounting screw in the igniter kit and could possibly hit and damage the quartz igniter if you used it with a mounting bracket. All right. Before inserting the igniter into the mounting tube, install the fiberglass washer over the quartz. This acts as a heat shield and padding for the ceramic mounting flange. Next, install a mounting bracket over the Molex connector with the tab facing the quartz. All right. Then slide it all the way over to the ceramic mounting flange. This is very important. The ceramic igniter mounts vertically in the mounting tube, not horizontally. All right, so what does this mean? So this means the narrow side of the quartz is facing up. It doesn't matter which narrow side, and the wide sides of the quartz are facing the air holes in the mounting tube. This is to allow proper airflow from the fan to pass over the quartz and into the burn pot. There are also air holes in the back of the ceramic mounting flange that allow air to pass through the flange to the pellets. Okay, this air passing through the air holes over the quartz is superheated before it reaches the pellets. And it's this superheated air that ignites the pellets, and that's why contact with the pellets is not necessary. All right. So, okay, next, align the mounting bracket hole with the mounting tube screw hole. All right. The holes may not align properly without a little force being applied to the bracket. All right. Using a crosshead screwdriver or a Phillips head, whichever you like to call it, and a little bit of tongue action, install a mounting screw. All right. Carefully tighten the screw so we don't break the ceramic flange. Yeah, that would be bad. Tighten the screw so the gap between the bracket and the mounting flange closes. But like I said, do not over tighten it. Don't leave it loose, because the heating and cooling of the mounting tube will cause the screw to back out if it's not tight enough. All right, so if you'll notice with mine, the igniter rotated a little after tightening the mounting screw. If this happens with you, just loosen the screw a bit and rotate the igniter back into a vertical position. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below and I will try to answer them the best I can. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Don't forget, you can support the Muxall Open IoT channel by donation using a credit card and PayPal, or by purchasing products at the Muxall store. Details and links are in the description under this video. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, that helps, and hit the subscribe button, that really helps. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comments under this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.